Convertible notes are one of the most popular funding instruments used by early-stage startups. They represent a unique hybrid between traditional debt and equity financing. In this series, you'll learn exactly what convertible notes are, how they work, and why they've become the go-to choice for seed-stage companies raising their first rounds of capital. A convertible note is a short-term debt instrument that converts into equity during a future financing round. Think of it this way. An investor loans money to a startup today, but instead of being repaid in cash, that loan automatically converts into ownership shares when the company raises its next round of funding. Typically a Series A, so it starts as a loan, but becomes ownership shares later. Startups and investors choose convertible notes for several compelling reasons. First, they're much faster and cheaper than traditional equity rounds, with less paperwork and lower legal fees. Second, they cleverly delay the difficult valuation discussion until the company has more traction and data to support a fair price. Third, the legal documentation is simpler and more standardized. And finally, they're perfect for early-stage seed funding, when determining an exact company value is challenging. The valuation cap is the maximum valuation at which an investment converts to equity. It protects early investors by rewarding them for taking early risk. For example, if an investor has a $5 million cap and the company later raises a Series A at a $20 million valuation, that investor's note converts as if the company were only worth $5 million. This means they get more shares for their money, compensating them for investing early when the risk was highest. The discount rate is a percentage discount on the Series A price per share, serving as another reward for early risk-taking. If a convertible note has a 20% discount and Series A investors pay $1 per share, the note holder effectively pays only 80 cents per share. This discount gives early investors better pricing than later investors, acknowledging that they took on more risk by investing when the company was less proven. Two other important terms complete the convertible note structure. The interest rate is the annual interest that accrues on the principal amount, typically ranging from 2 to 8% per year. This interest also converts into equity along with the principal. The maturity date is the deadline by which the note must either convert to equity or be repaid. This is usually set at 18 to 24 months, giving the company time to raise its next round. The conversion process follows 3 simple steps. First, an investor lends money to the startup using a convertible note. Second, when the company raises its Series A equity round, the conversion is triggered. Third, the note automatically converts into equity shares based on the terms negotiated earlier, including any valuation cap or discount rate. The investor who started as a lender now becomes a shareholder with ownership in the company. Like any financing instrument, convertible notes have trade-offs. The advantages include quick and simple fundraising, no need for immediate company valuation, and significantly lower legal costs compared to equity rounds. However, the disadvantages include the fact that debt creates a repayment obligation if conversion doesn't happen. Founders face uncertainty about how much they'll be diluted, and calculating the final cap table can become complex when multiple notes with different terms are involved. Understanding these trade-offs helps both founders and investors make informed decisions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.